gacha. Buon appetito. Legendary? What? What is this crazy look? But like I already have you. Okay. Gachaing again because I have more gems or crystals, whatever you say it.
Wow. Wow. Everyone relax. The dragon rider you've been waiting for has arrived.
Give me more luck now. Where's my luck at?
Welcome. Welcome to my garden of snow. I'll make you a happy cookie
What?
forever.
How?